How to transfer funds from Apple Pay to Chime Card. First things first, we need to make sure your Chime card is actually linked to your Apple Wallet. Go ahead and open up your Apple Wallet app. Right at the top right corner, tap that little plus icon. Next, you're going to select Debit or Credit Card, and then just hit Continue at the bottom of the screen. Now, all you have to do is hold your iPhone right over the chip on your physical Chime card, and your phone will automatically scan it. If you don't have your physical card on you right now, no stress. Just tap Enter Card Details manually at the bottom. Type in your name and card number, hit Continue, and then pop in your expiration date and the 3-digit CVV security code from the back of the card. Awesome! Now that your Chime card is safely added to your Apple Wallet, we can finally move the money. Go back to your main wallet screen and tap on your Apple Cash card. Look up at the top right corner and tap those 3 little dots to open up the menu. From there, select Transfer to Bank. Type in the exact amount of money you want to send over to Chime and tap Next in the top right. Now you've got a choice to make: instant transfer or 1 to 3 business days. Since we want this money right away, we're going to select Instant Transfer. Keep in mind there's a tiny fee for this, but it gets your funds over to Chime immediately. Tap on that option and then hit Transfer in the top right. To wrap it up, just double-check the transfer screen to make sure your Chime card is selected as the destination and confirm the payment using your Face ID or Touch ID. And that is literally it. The funds are officially moving over to your Chime account. If you want to unlock more useful Chime tricks, go check out my video on how to send money to Chime to anyone, even non-Chime users. I'll see you over there.